Hey friends, let's jump straight in. With this lesson we're tuned to E flat, so just tune each string down half a step and we'll do all the guitar parts. Let me play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're just starting with the slide, then we're playing the E power chord, then we're just going to palm mute the open E string 6 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, play the E power chord, 1 palm mute on the open E power chord, palm mute on the open E power chord, palm mute on the open E, then go back to the D, and then the C power chord, we're going to do off, and we're going to do 5 mutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then just do a quick down up on the 3rd fret on the A string. 2 on the C again. Mute, off, 2 mutes, off. So that first part slowly. E. To the D, to the C. Then just go back to the D and hold, back to the C and hold, do a slide, play the 5th fret on the E string, go to the A string 2nd fret, 3rd fret, and then to finish off we're just playing E, D, C, back to the D 2 times, and then it does another 2 to get us started for the verse. And when we're playing the 5 on the E, A, 2, 3, there's a harmony. We just play 5 on the A. On the D, we play 1st fret and 2nd fret. And that's the rhythm. Now let's have a look at the solo. So we're going to start on the B string, 12, hammer onto 13, hammer onto 15. E, 15, 14. Then do that again, 12, 13, 15. E, 15, 14. Jump back to the B, 15, 12. Then we're going to play 12 E, back to 12 on the B. Play the 12 again and hammer onto 15 on the B. 13. Then do 13, hammer onto 15, pull off the 13. G, 14, 14. Then we repeat that first part again. 12, 13, 15. E, 15, 14. Again. 12, 13, 15. E, 15, 14. B, 15, 12. Now we're going to play the 12 again on the B. 12 E. Back to B, 15, 13. E, 17, 15, 14, stay on the E, 22, 20, go to 19, do a hammer onto 20, pull off the 19, to B, 22, 20, 19, bend the 22 on the B, release, back to 20 and finish on 22. And that's our intro solo there. So we've finished our intro, do 2 Ds, then we just play a G chord 2 times, 3rd fret A, back to the D 2 times, play the G again 2 times, Then go to a B, play it 2 times, 2 palm mutes, so we're down up on the 2nd fret A string, and then B again. Then we do a slide. We're going to play 2 palm mutes on the open E to an E power chord, back to 2 palm mutes again. Then play 7 D and G, 2 palm mutes on the open E power chord, 2 palm mutes E again, 7 D and G, 2 palm mutes E, and then the E power chord. So. Then just play a G chord, power chord there, and again to the D power chord, and again. Then go to the 2nd fret on the A, do palm mute 2 times. Then go to the 3rd fret on the A, and this is all pinched harmonics 2 times. 5th fret 2 times, and then 3, 5. The harmony there is just on the D string, 2nd fret 2 times, 4th fret 2 times, and then 2, 4. And that's the verse there. So for our chorus, we're just playing the E power chord again, so it's pretty similar to our intro. 6 palm mutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, E, palm mute, E, palm mute, E, palm mute, back to D. Then we're going to play the C off, do 6 palm mutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, off 2 times, palm mute, off, 2 palm mutes, come back to the D. Then we're going to go back to the E and repeat it again. E, 6 palm mutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then go back to the D, play it as an off, mute, mute, off, mute. Back to the C, then just finish on the D again soon. And that gets us ready for the next verse there. They're all the parts of the chorus. From there we go back to the verse, and that's exactly the same. We go back to the chorus. Now the only change here is the last D. We just play it 4 times and hold. So. So let's have a look at our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. We just have the E power chord, 6 palm mutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then do it 2, palm mute, 1, palm mute, E, palm mute, back to the D, then go C 2 times, palm mute for 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and quick 2 palm mutes down up, off 2 times, palm mute, off, 2 palm mutes, off. Then just play the A power chord to a B power chord to a C, back to the D. Then we're just doing 2 palm mutes off, 2 palm mutes off on the D. Then we're repeating it all again, except the last D changes. We've come from the A to the B to the C, and then we're just going to play B, C, D, E. And that's our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. So for our chorus, we've now got a key change. So we're going to play the F sharp power chord off, 4 mutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, off, 2 quick mutes, off, mute, 2 quick mutes. Then we're coming back to the E, to the D, off, 4 mutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, off, 2 quick mutes, off, mute, mute, come back to the E, back to the F sharp, and we're going to hold that for a bar, back to the E, hold, back to the D, coming back to the E 4 times. And we repeat that 2 times there, and that's our new chorus. So for our last chorus, we're just going to keep repeating this to the end, and we've had a key change, so just move everything up 2 frets. So we're going to play the F sharp off, 5 mutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 quick ones, and then off, mute, mute. Come back to the E, to the D, off, 4 mutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, off, 2 quick ones, off, mute, mute, off, back to the E, hold, to the D, hold, slide, then we're just playing 7 on the E, to the A, 4, 5, and then we're just running down. We have the F sharp, E, D, back to E, and we repeat that to the end, and the harmony on our little run is going to be 7 on the A, back to 3 on the D, and 4 on the D. And they're all our rhythm parts. Now let's have a look at that outro solo, and then we'll do the main solo. So for our outro solo, it's exactly the same as our intro solo, just move it all up 2 frets. So instead of starting on the 12, we're starting on the 14, and all stays exactly the same, just 2 frets up. Now let's have a look at the main solo. So we're starting on the 2nd fret G, do a bend, then just play the open G, use your bar and come in. Then we're bending 10th fret on the B, start with your bar in. Then play 7 on the E, hammer onto 8, tap on 15, then we're pulling off back to 7, hammer onto 8, hammer onto 10, tap 15 again, pull off to 10, pull off to 8, pull off to 7, hammer onto 8, tap on 12. Then we're going to the E string, 13, 17, 15, 13, B, 17, 15, 13, then 12, hammer onto 13, 14, G. Then we're doing the same thing but up 2 frets, so E, 15, 19, 17, 15, B, 19, 17, 15, 14, hammer onto 15, 16 on the G. Jump back to E, we have 15, 19, 15, B, 17, back to E, 14, 15, B, 17, E, 14, back to B, 15, 17, E, 14, B, 15, G, 16. Then we've got 13, pull off to 12 on the B, 14 G, back to 12 B, do the 13, pull off to 12 again, G, 14, 12, back to the B, 10, pull off to 12, G, 12, 11, D, 12. So that part's a little confusing. Then we're going to bend the 22nd fret on E, play 22, 20, 19, 22 on the B, back to E, 20, 19, B, 22, 20, E, 19, back to B, 22, 20 and 21 on the G. Then we're going to bend 24, we're going to bend it, then bend it again, and then do 20, hammer onto 24, pull off the 20 on the E, 24 on the B, 20 on the E, back to 24 on the B, then play the 24 again, pull off the 20 on the B, 21 on the G, 20 on the B, back to G, 21, 19 and 22 on the D. Then we're going to play the E string 5, 8, tap on 12, pull off the 8, pull off the 5, pull off to the open, and we're going to do that 4 times. And then we're going to do the same pattern but on the B string, 4, 7, tap on 12, pull off 7, 4, open, and 4 times there. Then to the G string, same pattern again, but this time 5, 9, tap on 12, pull off the 9, 5, open, and 4 times there. Then we're going to slide up to 19E, play 20, 22, bend 22, and then to finish off, bend 24. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Free Guitar Lesson by Stryper. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 80s rock, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs. And I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.